Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to a new video. So just today it was announced that NordVPN had performed its fifth no log independent audit to show they don't collect logs and their service is what they say it is. Now, as far as I know, this is the most times a VPN has ever put this much effort and transparency, showing no log audits this many times. This is no joke. They've spent a serious amount of money doing this to provide more transparency into their product, and it's definitely very reputable. Like I said, other VPNs have done this maybe 2 or 3 times, but as far as I know, this is the most I've ever seen a VPN do it. Previously, it had been 4, which was already impressive, but now they've done it again this year, and they seem to be doing it every single year, which is very good. Some VPNs out there, like TorGuard, a couple different other ones, have never even provided users with one no-log audit from an external third party like Tutanota, or however you pronounce it. So very impressive from NordVPN here. So according to this article, security experts at leading auditing firm Tutanota inspected NordVPN server configuration and relevant IT systems to ensure data related to user activity is never logged as stated in the privacy policy. The independent audit found the VPN's infrastructure to be properly prepared, meaning the provider cannot know anything about user activity when connected to the service. So for all those people out there saying, hey, Molvad is the only anonymous VPN simply because you can sign up with, not having to give them an email, well, that's just kind of like a gimmick, right? You can buy good VPNs with all the features you want, and they don't collect logs either, and that's what NordVPN is doing. So that is why they are currently rated number 1. Not only do they not collect logs and they're transparent, but across the board, they give you tons of features that other VPNs don't. For example, they have MeshNet built in, which means you can set up a local area network. The Linux client is open source. They have lots of good servers, best speeds in my tests, really good stream compatibility, and one of the easiest to use GUIs from a VPN. They also have Apple TV, tons of other apps that a lot of VPNs still don't have to this day. Now, guys, I'm not sponsored by NordVPN, but just like a lot of other VPNs, I'm an affiliate for them. So if you use my link in the description down below, you should be able to get an extra month that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise. And I recommend getting the core plan for $81 for 28 months. That's a very good deal. Make sure to use something like privacy.com, pay with cryptocurrency, or turn off auto renewal, and then in 28 months come back and get maybe even a better deal. So stick with the channel for the best deals. Back to this though, NordVPN regularly puts its security up front. This is the 5th time, in fact, the popular VPN provider has proved its no logs claim. So the auditors conducted a series of privacy and security analysis between November 18th to December 20th, 2024. This included inquiries with NordVPN employees, an inspection of all types of VPN servers, their configuration, and their deployment, as well as a review of all the relevant privacy settings and procedures. After this thorough analysis, experts concluded that the VPN is indeed designed in accordance with its no-log claims, as a configuration of IT systems and management of supporting IP operations is properly prepared. So you can actually see the full audit report there, and let's go ahead and check that out since it does require a NordVPN account. So taking a look at that, the main purpose of the audit seems to verify NordVPN's Privacy Policy Appendix 1, which assures users that they process only minimal user information, only necessary to maintain their services, and not collect any logs. So definitely this is a very good thing for NordVPN users. Getting more transparency, more of these things just shows that NordVPN does care about having that appearance and transparency with its user base. Let me know down in the comments down below if no log audits make you feel better about trusting VPN providers. And for those who say VPNs can't be trusted because they're popular, well, they're just hipsters who are trying to go against the grain and trying to make clickbait videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video very soon.